Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the Sneaker Fiend. Now today we're going over the Jordan 1 Low in the Shadow colorway. And before we get into the shoe, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at Breezy_Kicks23. Now I also got my second wave of Sole Luxury clothing out. Go check it out. The Instagram is the Sole Luxury. I got more hoodies, t-shirts, I got some shorts, I got some snapbacks. You guys can see right here. Turn around, give you that 360 view. Anyway, some fire merch. Definitely go check it out. Yeah, but with that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. Alright, so I definitely want to keep this video quick just because I already know there is a lot of videos out there on this shoe. It did release a while back, but I was able to catch it on the restock. Got it for my size just as a personal item. A shoe that's clean enough and cheap enough that you can beat up without feeling bad or feeling like you wasted a lot of money on it. So we got the box right here. It's a boring black Jordan box, nothing special. Retail price $90. I did go with a size 9.5. I like to go half a size down on Jordan 1 Lows. I just feel it's more of a secure, snug feeling with a Jordan 1 Low. Whereas Jordan 1 Highs, I usually go true to size, which my size will be a size 10. So with the lows, I usually go down half a size. But yeah, boring box, no one really cares about that. Let's get into the shoes. Bam. Jordan 1 Low Shadow. Man, these are just fresh. You really can't go wrong with a pair of these. A black, white, and gray scheme. It's just perfect. You can mix this with a lot of outfits. Like I could wear this with what I'm wearing right now. If I was wearing a blue shirt, I could wear it. Red shirt, it doesn't matter. You can mix black, gray, and white pretty much with any outfit. You can wear shorts with these, long socks, ankle socks. It doesn't matter. You can wear pants, joggers. Really, it's all gonna look good. It's just one of those shoes that, like I said, is perfect for your everyday casual wear. It's just a fresh pair of Jordans. So looking at the upper, you do have a leather based upper. You got black on the outer lace, gray in the toe box, white underlay, gray Nike swoosh. Heel tab is black with white embroidery. I really like that touch. It makes the Air Wing logo just pop. So that's very dope. Gray tongue, black laces. You have a 23 on the lace tag. Jumpman logo in black. Focus, let's go. Then you do have gray lining, a black insole with a white Jumpman logo, white midsole, and gray outsole. Now that we went over the details on the shoe, let's look at these on feet.
I was a young nigga, I ain't had shit. Sleeping on any other different mattress. Mama told me that I had to go grab it. As soon as I make it, I'm buying a mansion. I was a young nigga, I ain't had shit. Sleeping on any other different mattress. Mama told me that I had to go grab it. As soon as I make it, I'm buying a mansion. She give me top and I feel like a pro. The way you be riding me, I cannot go. Little nigga and he carry the ball. Big 40 and it blowing your dome. I got some demons I cannot be all terrain, we in the drought. So I hopped out, pouring like the rain. Now see gas and be that super straight, like who gon' die today? My money always banging crib. Blue shirts made of strip, don't see no doctor when I'm sick. I need a boat that ain't gon' flip. Watch me swing her on my wrist, you see the diamonds, yeah, they glass. Pull her in a drop top, with a thought stop. Speedy got that drip job, watch her wrist lock. Shorty call some lock job, yeah, the block. Yo, I just fuck your bitch. I just swish, do it, swish. Yeah, had a condo for your bitch. Had a condo for your swish, swish. Smash, then I dip, swish, I do it, swish, let's go, let's go, let's go. Had a product for your bitch, swish, swish. Yo, I'm in the liver, you cannot, bitch, you
Bam. The Jordan 1 Low in the Shadow colorway. Let me know what you guys think of this colorway. What do you think of Jordan 1 Lows? There's a lot of hate on Jordan 1 Mids and Jordan 1 Lows. And I'm gonna be honest, for the longest time, I haven't been a huge fan. I'm still not a huge fan. I would prefer a pair of highs over mids or lows any day. But with the price, with the availability, because that's a big thing, Jordan 1 highs are really hard to get a hold of sometimes. and it's a lot easier to get a pair of Jordan 1 lows. So with this is something I plan on just wearing all the time, because there's a lot of my Jordan 1s that I just don't wear that often because I don't want to get them like scuffed up. So it's nice to have something like this that you can just wear on the daily and just beat up, and it's still gonna look good. You're gonna be looking fresh, something you don't really have to worry about, and that isn't gonna be on your mind 24/7. Let me know what you think of the shoe. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Hit that like button if you like the content. Again, check out The Sole Luxury on Instagram. Check out the merch. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.